Today we are learning ABCD with colors. Let's start. A. We put red color in A. B. We put orange color in B. C. We put violet color in C. D. We put dark green color in D. E. We put brown color in E. F. We put yellow color in F. G. We put red color in G. H. We put green color in H. I. We put blue color in I. J. We put black color in J. K. We put brown color in K. L. We put violet color in L. M. We put orange color in M. N. We put dark green color in N. O. We put yellow color in O. P. We put brown color in P. Q. We put orange color in Q. R. We put red color in R. S. We put blue color in S. T. We put green color in T. U. We put brown color in U. V. We put violet color in V. W. We put red color in W. X. We put green color in X. Y. We put yellow color in Y. Z. We put dark green color in Z.